Hi Marina, I wanted to make a quick video vlog for your YouTube channel. You said you were in the need of a content creator, so my suggestion for you would be, what about being a member of the audience at Good Morning America or one of the late night TV shows? It's a great experience. I went to New York. I got to see the David Letterman show. It's a lot of fun. They'll coach you before the show even starts, and they'll tell you who the guests are going to be, what time they'll be there. You'll get to see the paparazzi, the whole 9 yards. It's a great experience. And in your case, you could easily ask them for suggestions for people that you could hire for your show. As far as investment advisors go, I know several. And what I would suggest is to write down your short and long term goals and the type of stocks that you're interested in investing in. Each investment advisor is different. Some specialize in American stocks, some specialize in international stocks. My contacts are at Raymond James and First Tennessee Bank. So if you would like to meet these men, you can sit down in their really nice office and talk to them about your goals and see if it's a right fit for your investment needs. As far as the whiteboard goes, my suggestion would be to go to Amazon and better than paper and search the type of color that you want. And what this is dry erasable bulletin board paper that you can mount directly to your wall with tape or a hot glue gun. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's easy to put up and take down. My last suggestion for your show is to reduce cost. You can reduce business expenses by lowering your business, your car, and your home insurance. And my best friend actually sells insurance for a company called Clay and Land. You could contact him and see if the price quote that he gives you is lower than what you're currently paying, and that would be a slick way to save some money. I hope this message finds you well. I hope you have a wonderful new year. Thank you and goodbye.